Hello, myself Somdas. So I wrote a poem. So I wrote this poem on human relationships. So let me first recite it and then I will elaborate it. I wrote this on 10th February 2025. रिश्तों की गहराइयों में समा जाते हैं हम, यादें रह जाती है, भुलाया नहीं जाता ये गम। सफ़ीना सफ़ीना में निकल पड़ते हैं मंजिल की तलाश में, छूट जाती है ज़िंदगी के एहसास में। वो पहला दिन, पहली मुलाकात, याद है वो हंसी जो हम हंसे थे एक साथ। कहानी सुनते सुनाते मुस्कुराते टहलते ख़त्म हो ही जाती है एक दिन। फिर से मिलेंगे कभी इन कहानियों के साथ। थोड़ा तुम हंसाना, थोड़ा मैं रुलाऊंगा, शायद यही रह जाएगी हमारी आखिरी मुराद। लम्हों के बीच में ज़िंदगी को ढूंढते हैं हम, मुख्तलिफ रह जाते हैं इन रिश्तों से, फिर महरूम का लिबास ओढ़ के बेबसी से ढूंढते रह जाते हैं हम। So I wrote this poem on behalf of my friend. Actually, he left me in the sense like I understood that that was the last meeting we were going to have, and after that I wrote this poem um, in his memories actually. So let me elaborate this thing because it has many deep relation, very deep meaning. It's hard to actually process from a other person's mind. So let me just break it down in my words, in my thoughts, so that actually I can give it a better perspective for someone who is very new in understanding such kind of poems, because my language is very simple, very easy to understand. So that is why it may be little bit difficult for some person like who are very new in this field to understand or to actually get into that vibrant of colors that I am trying to fill up in the person in front of me. So रिश्तों की गहराइयों में समा जाते हैं हम, वेरी बेसिक लाइन, वेरी इजी लाइन टू अंडरस्टैंड। जो डेप्थ होता है रिश्तों में उसमें हम समा जाते हैं, वी जस्ट गेट डिजॉल्व इन इट, ओके। बिकॉज नाउ दिस पोएम, फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस पोएम, हैव टू गेट इन टू दैट आइडिया दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर एंडिंग लाइफ, जब हमारी ज़िंदगी ख़त्म हो जाती है। बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, when you have nothing, you don't have money in your hand, you don't have social media, you don't have your fan following, followers, or whatever, what you are left with, you are left with love, feelings, and those are provided to you by those human relations, right? Those satisfactions, that is asudki. Asudki is an Urdu word which means satisfaction. So this thing is talking about, so just imagine yourself as an old aged guy, okay, who is looking back in his young days, where he met a lot of people, he made connections with many of them. It don't have to be necessarily girlfriends, it can be friends, it can be someone who just passed you by, who helped you once, or maybe your neighbor, your relative, your best friend, your girlfriend, your ex-wife, whoever it can be. It can be your just whom you just waved once. It can be anyone. So just try to imagine yourself as an old aged guy who is trying to take a back view in his younger days. So रिश्तों की गहराइयों में समा जाते हैं हम, यादें रह जाती है, भुलाया नहीं जाता ये गम। यादें रह जाती है. So at the end of the day we are left with memories, and you know, those pain, those agony, and those void of anguish inside you is filled in yourself, because at the end what, you are left with nothing. You are not left with your body, you're not left with those money, your Lamborghini, whatever, your house, mansion, everything is left behind. You are left with agony and anguish, your regrets, your guilt, your anger, your frustration, everything. So भुलाया नहीं जाता ये गम, because all we did was just run behind those things, run behind money, we ran behind materialistic things. We didn't actually focus on human relations, we didn't focus on love. What is love? Like, fuck off, we don't need these things, right? Because who need love when you can have money? That's what we think. So what we are left with at the end, anguish, void of anguish. We're left with agony. Then the third line, यादें रह जाती है, बुलाया नहीं जाता ये गम, सफ़ीना में निकल पड़ते हैं मंजिल की तलाश में, छूट जाती है ज़िंदगी के एहसास में। सफ़ीना में निकल पड़ते हैं ज़िंदगी के एहसास में। सफ़ीना मीन्स vessel, can be boat, it has many different meaning in Urdu language. सफ़ीना means you can take it as boat. So सफ़ीना में बैठ के हम निकल पड़ते हैं ज़िंदगी की तलाश में. We fight for our aim. We just travel and try to actually achieve whatever we want to. So सफ़ीना में बैठ के we just go around. And why सफ़ीना? Why सफ़ीना? Like, why is that? Because you know what? There's a very beautiful saying that you don't know where you will end up in life. So be prepared for everything, because it's a journey of the unknown. So सफ़ीना में बैठ के, because when you sit in a vessel, you sit in a vessel and you get into that ocean, you don't know where you are going to end up in. You can wish that, oh God, take me to America. You can wish that, take me to London, take me to America, but you don't know where you can end up in. You can end up in Antarctica, you can end up in South Africa, wherever place you can end up in. But you can wish. So whatever we have inside ourselves is just our wishes. Similarly, so सफ़ीना में निकल पड़ते हैं मंजिल की तलाश में. We just find for our aim, right? And then छूट जाती है ज़िंदगी के एहसास में. As soon as we are hit with life, those things just goes behind. And when we are hit with life, the idea of life comes after a certain age, after a certain point in life. Then you are hit with that life and you just get detached from your body and all of these things. Detached from your body, now this has a significant meaning. Detached from your body can mean that you can get detached from all the desires towards some materialistic things. So you got detached from your body. So सफ़ीना में निकल पड़ते हैं मंजिल की तलाश में, छूट जाती है ज़िंदगी के एहसास में. वो पहला दिन, पहली मुलाकात, याद है वो हंसी जो हम हंसे थे एक साथ. Now the poet, like it's me, but still, now the poet is, now I am, or you can take yourself. Now we are starting to reflect on those first days actually, first days. So वो पहला हंसी जो मैं उसके साथ हंसा था, let's that can be a friend, that can be anyone, like, right? So the पहला हंसी, पहला मुलाकात, so वो पहला दिन, the first day I met him, वो पहला मुलाकात जो उसके साथ हुआ था. So it's not has to be mandatory, like पहला दिन doesn't have to be your पहला मुलाकात. You saw him, you came to know about him after maybe 2, 3 or several days later. So पहला दिन I saw him, we still remember that day. Okay, I saw you that day, I came to know about you, we got in touch after maybe 2, 3 days, I came to know about you. So तो पहला दिन, पहला मुलाकात. And then what did I go? Yeah, so पहला दिन, पहली मुलाकात, याद है वो हंसी जो हम हंसे थे. What's the most memorable thing that a person gets? The पहला हंसी, like the first laugh together, is that touch of bond. Yeah, definitely those sad, those uncomfortable conversations that you have with those person are definitely those are the things that strengthen your bond. But where does it start? It starts from the first laughter together. तो पहला हंसी जो हम हंसे थे एक साथ. कहानी सुनते सुनाते, मुस्कुराते टहलते, ख़त्म हो ही जाती है एक दिन. all these journeys ends, like we tell them stories, they tell us stories, we laugh together, we travel together. These 4 things we discover, like you may say, now we discover things, we come to know about things. Come on, that is like healthy. We just keep roaming, we just keep drifting, and we drift. Okay, we don't travel, we drift in life. Life is drifting, we don't know where we'll end up in, so it's drifting. So कहानी सुनते सुनाते, मुस्कुराते टहलते, ख़त्म हो ही जाती है एक दिन. Okay, so these are the 4 things that after this your journey will end. And ख़त्म हो ही जाती है एक दिन. आफ्टर दैट फिर से मिलेंगे कभी इन्हीं कहानियों के साथ. We'll meet with these stories again. Why? after we'll reunite, the first thing we are going to do is say to him or her that, do you remember those days when we used to do this? And so we are reflecting back on our past, that what we do, that what we do actually normally, right? So फिर से मिलेंगे कभी नहीं ख्यालों के साथ, थोड़ा तुम हंसाना थोड़ा मैं रुलाऊंगा, शायद यही रह जाएगी हमारी आखिरी मुराद. मुराद मीन्स विश in Urdu. So, so the last wish we'll both have, or we guys will both have, or we both will have, is that one day we'll meet again, and you will reflect back a bit, I will reflect back a bit, and we both will laugh, we both will cry, we both will reflect, we both will be into our stories, our conversation, our those young days again. And that will be maybe our last wish, because we don't have any last wish like, oh, we have to make children, we have to do this, we have to, no, you don't have anything, any of these things, when you both will be of maybe 70 years, 80 years, whatever. Because at first I told you to imagine yourself as an old aged guy. So when you will be 81, let's say, and you sat with your that friend whom you saw 60 years ago, let's say, when you guys were just 21, 23, and you both disconnected from each other, and you met again at the age of 81, and now you both sat together, and now you are discussing about your young days. That is your last wish that you can have with your friend. We both will sit together at the age of 81, and we'll just talk about our young days. That is our last wish. Last wish for both of us. Then लम्हों के बीच में ज़िंदगी को ढूंढते हैं हम, मुख्तलिफ रह जाते हैं इन रिश्तों से, फिर महरूम का लिबास ओढ़ के बेबसी से ढूंढते रह जाते हैं हम. When I say लम्हों के बीच में ज़िंदगी को ढूंढते हैं हम, it means that in between phases we try to find life, okay? Because most of the time we are just surviving, we are just drifting. We are not trying to live life, we are not trying to find the meaning of life. Suddenly once we'll sit back and we'll just look around ourselves, look back, we'll look in front, we'll look in our sideways, and we'll try to figure out the meaning of life, or what we are doing now, or we have done before. So that is in between moments we try to find life. So लम्हों के बीच में ज़िंदगी को ढूंढते हैं हम, मुख्तलिफ रह जाते हैं इन रिश्तों से. Often we stay apart, or those relations that we try to build or we have built doesn't actually gets conveyed in our consciousness, right? So मुख्तलिफ रह जाते हैं, मुख्तलिफ means apart or distinct, okay? मुख्तलिफ रह जाते हैं इन रिश्तों से, फिर महरूम का लिबास ओढ़ के बेबसी से ढूंढते रह जाते हैं. महरूम means regret, बेबसी means helplessness. So when we when we stay distinct about these relations in our life, what at the end? We're left with regrets, we're left with helplessness, we're left with those pains. That's it. So महरूम का लिबास ओढ़ के बेबसी से ढूंढते रह जाते हैं हम. So regrets are something I will talk about in my further videos. I have a lot of poem, so definitely you can actually listen to all of those things in the upcoming videos and all. Thanks. Bye.